Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reverse your videos on Filmora. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Filmora application on your device and open up any new project or your old ones from your draft. Once you open up your project and add your desired medias, you will end up within the timeline menu. Now within your timeline, if you have any video that you would like to reverse, then simply tap on this video and you will see various different options at the bottom. Simply swipe towards the right and within the various different options, you will see the reverse setting. Go ahead and tap on it and this will now begin reversing the video track on its entirety right away. Just wait for a little while until the reverse process goes to 100%, and when it is done, you will find the same video track within your timeline, and when you play it back, you will notice that it has been reversed entirely. You can go back to the same menu and once again tap on the reverse option to deactivate your reversal. And you may also use this method for any audio track within your timeline. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reverse your videos on the Filmora editing app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.